good evening everyone. Welcome to the post market report. Today the Indian market closed with positive sentiments. Today was the monthly expiry of Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty took support around 52,000 and Bank Nifty could expire above 52,000. Today, even though the market closed positive, there was volatility in the market, especially the option prices in Nifty for the monthly expiry was trading with huge volatility today, and at the end of the day everything cooled off, and today India VIX fell about 4.51% and closed at 14.62. Now about a few days after the India VIX is closing below 15. Today, as I mentioned in the pre-market report, Nifty faced hurdle at 24,350 levels, but 24,150 level is acting as a good support level for Nifty now about 2 days. Yesterday also Nifty took support somewhere around 24,140. Today Nifty took support at 24,145. Now the positiveness in Nifty existing is that now the Nifty is trading above its 20-day EMA and Nifty is trying to go above its 100-day EMA, and the 100-day EMA lies between 24,300 and 24,350 levels. So in order to go upward for the Nifty need to break this 100-day EMA level decisively. So most of the investors and traders will be in a consolation mode now, because now about a few trading section, now our market is closing with positive sentiments, as well as the loss in our portfolio maybe is decreasing due to the rally in the market. And after now about 2 months we are hearing rallies in many stocks. Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Bharat Electronics, Trent and NTPC were among the top gainers in Nifty today, while losers includes Apollo Hospitals, Titan Company, Shriram Finance, Wipro and IndusInd Bank. Today, Nifty mid-cap rallied 0.6%, while Nifty small-cap rallied about 1.3%. Among the sectors, selling was seen at IT, pharma, realty and healthcare, while buying was seen at bank, auto, energy, FMCG, metal and media. When we check into the global markets, Dow Jones future now trading with negative sentiments. European markets FTSE is trading slightly positive. CSE is down about more than 1% and DAX is down about nearly 0.5%. Most of the Asian markets are now trading with negative sentiments, but Shanghai, the Chinese market is now up about 1.5%. Commodities, Brent crude, gold and crude oil are trading with positive sentiments. Adani Enterprises, Adani Power, HDFC Bank and Adani Ports were some of the most active stocks of the day. Today, 1,729 companies were towards the advanced mode, while 743 companies were towards the decline mode, while we check the advanced decline ratio in NSE. Stock in news, Ola Electric stock today locked in 20% upper circuit. The company is going to launch new JIC S1Z range of scooters. NTPC Green Energy, today was the listing day of the stock and stock gains 10% today from its listing price. Exide Industries, Today, share rose nearly 3% as the company increases stake in Exide Energy Solutions. Thalbros Automotive stock skyrockets today because the company received a new order worth rupees 475 crores. Adani stocks. Key Adani stock hits 10 to 20% upper circuit after the company rejecting the bribery allegations against founder Gautam Adani. Swiggy, the share rises 20% within 3 trading sessions because the first quarter 2 result after listing is going to release on December 3rd. Defense and shipping. Defense and shipping stocks today rallies about 5% as JP Morgan's bullish call revives the investors. TARC stock today rises about 5% after it sold 50% of project TARC Ishua amounting rupees 1,350 crores. Vodafone Idea today also stock rallied about 6%, expecting waiver in bank guarantee. Disclaimer, please do not make any investment decisions based on my video because I am not a SEBI registered person. I am doing this video is for you and for me for educational purpose only. Hope all you got the informations. Thanks for watching the video.